Okay, I want to brush. This activity, I only do that. I can't delegate this one. I want to eat. This activity, I can only do that. I can't delegate. I want to sleep. This one is my activity. I should not delegate. But connecting this Zoom class, some other person can do that. Okay, downloading this video, uploading in our portal, LMS portal. Yes, some other person can do that. Batch announcement, some other person can do that. Make phone calls, some other person can do that. Paying internet bill, electricity bill, some other person can do that. So my concentration is always on higher level activities. I have already this mindset. I'm already doing these activities. Because of that, I came here. Next, in my life, in my future, I'm going to create big miracles in my life. Believe me. Big miracles in my life, I'm going to do that. Because correct mindset, correct secret I got. What is that secret? Don't do everything yourself. Don't do everything yourself. The secret mantra, abracadabra mantra, okay, for your success is delegation. Remember, better to so inject this point in every cell of your body. It should be reflected in your day-to-day activities. For every activity, question yourself. For every activity, question yourself. Am I required to do this activity or can I delegate? If there is any chance to delegate, don't do that activity. Don't do that activity. If there is any chance to delegate, don't do that activity. Doing total work on your own, it is a trap. Rat is running, rat race. This is called rat race. Next, you are always running there only. No growth. No growth. But you are always running there only. You are full busy always. But there is no growth at all. There is no income growth. There is no your position growth. Nothing. You never going to get freedom. Running. Just like running on the treadmill. Treadmill. How you are going to run on the treadmill? Array, with the speed also. Speed. You will get tired, you will get frustrated, but you won't move single inch further there only. That's why delegate. Delegate mantra. What a beautiful mantra. You people should aware.